Welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast, tough, and accurate? And this video is for you. Okay, I usually go over with homework from last video. Okay, 这是第11句话。I'm use this as a 10. Okay, so 11句话，11句话。Okay, I teach one 成语 with each sentence. 绩优9 is 9. Okay, 死 is death. 一 is 1. Okay, 生 is alive. Okay, what this 成语 was saying? 9 deaths still alive. If somebody has so many problems, I mean big problems, but that person still alive, that's what he's saying. 九死一生。我 is I. 是 is. 用 is using or use. 是微水 is water. 给 is give. 你 们 is your. 洗 is baptized. 叫 is call. 你们 is your. 悔改 is repentance. 但 is but. 那 is that. 在 is in. 我 is me or I. In this case is me. Look, no matter we just use one word. That's it. We don't have so many. Okay, just one word. 以后 means after. 来 is come. As the is in this case past tense. New lessons. Okay, we have a 第12句话。12, this is represent 10, but this one is 2. Okay, because I just have one hand. 12 okay, 12句话 okay, and each sentence I'm lead you guys to learn one 成语 right? This is our new 成语 okay? 特翁同播音病西医安乡乐意安怜 okay? 同病相怜 okay, I can give you a clue for this 成语 病 is sick okay, 怜 is connected okay, and you find out this one and this word and this word what those are meaning. Okay, let's write our 成语同病相怜 okay, 同病 Remember I said 病 is sick. 相怜 is connected, right? Okay. Okay, let's learn our new sentence. 能乐意力能力播一比我更更大 Okay, here I want to see learn this word from last video. Okay, and this one and this one and this one. Okay, we learn this one, of course we learn this one. Okay, all those words you already learned from last video, last part. Okay, so why I like this way is because you learn old one and new one mixed together. It's like sentence and easy for you to remember. That's what I'm liking about. So you don't forget, you don't easily forget it. Okay, 我绩优就是个 A 给特他特一提西耶协也波不破 A 配不配特他 Look, already repeated. That's what I like it about. It's very much help you to remember. Very easy. 一凹要，一翁用，要用，施恩圣，乐英灵，圣灵，于语，喝窝火，个 A 给，呢一你，莫恩门，你们，诗诗，西一喜，诗喜 ，OK。能力比我更大，我就是给他提鞋也不配。他要用圣灵与火给你们施洗。Okay, we're gonna practice our Chinese, okay? 能力，能。Look, it's fun, right? Okay, 力，能力，比，啊，我 is I， 更大，更。大 is bigger. 我 sorry, 大 is big. 就是就。是 is. 给他 trust me 提鞋提 I have a successful experience. Very successful. 鞋也不配，不配。他 even though you learned before, can see you learn again, you will remember tough. 要用 is use. 圣灵圣灵与火给你们你们施洗施洗 Alright, we always have homework, okay, if you want to learn something. And then if you do homework and you get it, okay, you get this language, alright? Homework, 家庭作业, okay? Download a translator. Translate each single word. But if I'm on the line, you check them together as phrases. It helps you learn faster, okay? Read and write 30遍, except if you're a college student, you can read like 15 times because you will have a lot of homework, your own homework. So Alright, and then watch an hour of Chinese TV series every day. And this is very important too, especially if you don't have this language environment, then you do need that, okay? You very much, okay, trust me. And this one is a Chinese TV series. Writing down here so you can watch this one. I suggest you to watch this one because they maintain a lot of Chinese. It's very fun and very entertainment movie. They have 3 parts. Okay, you can watch the first part. After when you finish, you can watch the second and then the third. Hope you have fun with your homework. Okay, if you like it, give me thumbs up and remember to subscribe my channel and you don't miss my new videos. Alright, 下星期五见。